We expect that at some point, as per his convenience, President Zelensky will visit India.
Do you have any plan to visit India soon or sooner or later?
Yes.
Prime Minister was here for the first time after 1992. It is natural on such occasions that he extends an invitation, which he did in this case. So we expect that at some point, as per his convenience, President Zelensky will visit India.
When would you like to visit India? Because you suggested Prime Minister Modi to have a global summit, a peace summit in India. So in that direction, if you want to enhance the cooperation with India, do you have any timeline in your mind? I know that this country is going through a war and it's very difficult to leave the country very often, but you travel abroad, which we saw on TV. So do you have any plan to visit India soon or sooner or later?
Yes, because when you begin partnership, strategic partnership, and you begin some dialogue, I think that you don't need to lose time and do big pauses. And that's why I think it will be good to meet together again. And if our meeting will be in India, I'll be happy. I read a lot about your big and great country. It's very interesting. I will not have time to see your country. It's a pity, because during the war I don't have time to look and to see. But I think it's important anyway to see your people. I think to understand country is to understand people. Also, I don't think that I will not have enough time. But anyway, it's better to be in your country, because to find key to your country and to your prime minister is to see your people. And I need very much to find key to your country, because I very much need your country on our side, not balancing between us and Russia. It's not about your historical choice, but who knows? Maybe your country can be, this is the key in this diplomatic influence. That's why I'll be happy to come to India as soon as your government, Prime Minister, will be ready to see me. And of course it depends on two things: when you'll be ready, and of course when I have to stabilize some moments with my team, including soldiers, of course, to stabilize some moments on the battlefield. So we have now very good chance. So this only two moments.
वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसी तरह की तमाम खबरों को देखने के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।